This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to use ChatGPT scheduled tasks. So scheduled tasks, you want to actually have ChatGPT remind you about something. Maybe it's getting you to check a certain email in the morning, reminding you to look at certain stocks or something in the morning, something around a workout plan. You can do all of this now with ChatGPT. So here in ChatGPT, this is a blank message screen. You're logged into your account, and I've got one pre-prepared here, which I'm going to paste in. So new message, all you need to do to activate these scheduled tasks is literally prompt the AI. So here we go. I have one right here. Send me a daily workout plan and instructions every morning at 7 a.m. And then we're going to put UK time here. Okay. So I've just got all the normal settings on, it's on instant, and I'm going to send the prompt. So let's see what happens. So there we go. It is now saying it is creating a task. Done. I'll send you a daily workout plan with instructions every morning at 7 a.m. UK time. And we've even got the little, the muscle symbol there as well, the muscle emoji. And you've got this card right here, which you can use to control it. If we click the ellipsis here, the three dots, we can now edit. We can pause or we can delete. And we can also see the schedules here. So if we click schedules, that will open up this setting screen and all of your scheduled tasks will appear right here. So you've got schedules, scheduled. This is the one that I just set. Again, you can edit and pause and delete here. And here's a list of the recent ones. So you might end up with, multiple tasks here all going off, doing different things. So very simply, that is how you are going to use a scheduled task in ChatGPT. You can do anything with this, have some fun with it. You can have some back and forth with the AI chatbot, and you can kind of say like what kind of things. Maybe you could ask a question. If I go back to that, you could ask a question here. What kind of things could I use scheduled tasks for? Let's see what ChatGPT itself says. So I've asked what kind of things could I use scheduled tasks for. So rather than me just parroting a whole load of stuff, you could ask your chatbot for this, and then you can kind of finesse it and say, well, I'm looking for something business or finance wise. I'm looking for something health and fitness wise. It's given us a whole bunch of ideas here: the daily workout plans, hydration reminders, everything from weekly CEO review every Monday morning, quarterly business planning session. It can remind you about YouTube stuff, content creation, learning, finance, family, garden and home. Maybe you need to also use house plants or cut your lawn multiple times. Not necessarily multiple times a week, because that would be crazy, but you want to get it multiple times a month. Or maybe, we've had issues where we want to get like a certain tree pruned at a certain time, and it sounds slightly mad if you don't have a garden, but we've got quite a large garden, and sometimes you want to get those trees pruned at just the right time. So yeah, there you go. There's loads of options there. Scheduled tasks in ChatGPT. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.